boys and girls, welcome back with the third Sudoku of the newspaper of Wednesday, December the 23rd, and actually it's today, Sunday the 27th, but we run out with the Sudokus because today there's no newspaper, so I need to find some Sudokus in the past. And we have 4 Sudokus left in the Wednesday paper, and this will be number 206. No, I forgot. This will be 70. Yes, because I forgot. This one will be, the previous one was number 2069. So let me do this again. What a mistake. 2069. And this will be, the binary will be, the numbering is not correct, but 2070. Yes, and what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Double 1, here an O, there an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Double 1, here an O, there an O. Double O, here 1, and there 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. We have now 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Then here we have 1, 2, 3 ones. If I place number 4 here, then we have 3 O's in a row in this column. Not allowed, one of the rules. So this cannot be a 1, this should be an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. We have now 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. 3 O's. And in this first row, and I know that this cannot be an O, otherwise we have 3 ones in a row in this row. So this cannot be an O, this should be a 1. Double 1 here, no, there, no. Double O here, 1, there, 1. We have now 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Alright. 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Then let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Between 2 ones comes an O. Now we have 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Between 2 ones comes an O. Double 1 here, no, there, no. Double O here, 1, there, 1. Then. Do I need to compare? That is the question. Do I need to compare? 10. Do we have a 101 here? Yeah. Oh, it's not the same. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ooh, hoo, 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 hoo. 10. Oh, 11. No, I cannot compare this row. 101. Yeah, 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 yeah. Ay, 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 ay. How about 1010? Do we have a 1010? Yes, 1010 here. Oh, one is this row and that row. 0011, 0011, 0011. Empty box, empty box. So we need to switch those two digits. We have a 1 here. This should be an O. We have a O there. This should be a 1. Double O here, 1 there, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. So the rest are O's. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. So the rest are O's. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Double 1 here, no there, no. 4 O's. So the rest are ones. 4 ones. So the rest are O's. 4 O's. So the rest are ones. Double 1 here, no there, no. Finish in 6 minutes. Alright. Great Sudoku, boys and girls. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you in a few seconds with the last Sudoku. It will be a tectonic with 1 star. So see you later. Bye bye for now.